Now I would like to give some native phrases, native English phrases. What's up? What's up means what is happened, what's wrong. ఇంకా ఈ వాట్సాప్ అనే దాన్ని మనము హౌ ఆర్ యూ అని అడగడానికి కూడా యూస్ చేస్తాం. సో అండ్ వాట్సాప్ అనే మన యాప్, వాట్సాప్ అనే యాప్ కూడా వాట్సాప్ అనే ఫ్రేజ్ నుంచి తీసుకున్నారన్నమాట. సో వెనెవర్ యూ మీట్ ఎ పర్సన్, వెనెవర్ యూ మీట్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్, you can ask instead of what's wrong, instead of what happened, you can ask what's up. So try to use this native English phrase. And also you can use these words. What are you up to? What are you up to means what are you doing? What are the things? What's the matter? What are the things? So this is the native phrase. What are you up to? Or what are you up to means what are you doing? The meaning is what are you doing? Our Indian English, but native English phrase is what are you up to? So remember these words in your daily usage. WhatsApp and what are you up to. WhatsApp means how are you can use, and also what's wrong and what happened. But what are you up to means what are you doing, what's the matter. Okay, thank you.